popcorn? Does Mater want popcorn? Does Mater want it?
Mm-hmm.
Does Mater want popcorn? Mater wants popcorn. You want some of this? Do you want popcorn? You want it? You do?
Asking for popcorn.
Are you gonna whine about it?
Yeah.
You're gonna
No.
whine about it? You're gonna cry about it? It's alright, Mater. Gonna whine about it? Hey, don't use that tone with me.
Mm-hmm.
You want popcorn? Oh, jeez. You gonna bark at me? You're gonna cry about
Tater
it?
really wants some popcorn.
You're gonna whine about it?
He cried.
Just because a silly little
No.
piece of popcorn?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Ugh.
I don't like popcorn. He really likes popcorn.
Stop.
Tater.
You're gonna cry about it! You are!
Okay, bye. What? I don't have any. I
You
don't
can
have
stop
any.
it.